Hi there, I hope you are great. This is AI Possibilities, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you remember our 12 AI chatbots? If not, please watch previous video. Now discover who's best for you. Tips and tricks included. Play button, watch now. Part 1. AI Tool Roundup. A quick glimpse. Here's a brief comparison of popular AI tools. Content creation. Writesonic, copy.ai, Jasper. Generate blog posts, ads, social media copy. Fast, versatile, but may lack depth. Bard, shortlyai. Focus on summarizing, paraphrasing, and text editing. Great for research and conciseness. ChatGPT, creative writing powerhouse, excels in storytelling and open-ended tasks. Chatbots and conversational AI. Dialogueflow, Amazon Lex, Rasa. Build and deploy AI chatbots for customer service, information delivery. Rasa offers more customization. Lex integrates with AWS ecosystem. Drift, manychat. Marketing-focused platforms with chatbot features, live chat, and marketing automation tools. All-rounders. Bard. Swiss Army knife of AI tools, strong in text generation, translation, summarization, and code. Still under development but versatile. Bing. Search engine with basic AI features like knowledge panels and summarization. Less creative than the others. Remember, each tool has its strengths and weaknesses. Choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. Try demos and experiment to see which interface and workflow you prefer. This is a brief overview. Part 2. Here's a breakdown of who might benefit most from each AI chatbot tool I mentioned. Writing and creativity. Bard. Writers, artists, students, anyone seeking inspiration or help with creative writing, code generation, or open-ended conversations. ChatGPT. Creative writers, musicians, poets, anyone wanting to explore unconventional writing styles or generate unique creative text formats. Jasper. Content creators, marketers, bloggers, anyone needing help with blog posts, marketing copy, website content, or SEO optimization. Copy.ai. Copywriters, marketers, entrepreneurs, anyone looking for catchy ad copy, product descriptions, or social media posts. Information and productivity. Bing. General users, students, researchers, anyone seeking informative responses, personalized news updates, or entertaining conversation. shortlyai. Busy professionals, students, researchers, anyone who needs to summarize long articles, rephrase text, or quickly grasp key points. Business and customer service. Writesonic. Marketers, business owners, entrepreneurs, anyone needing landing page copy, emails, sales scripts, or other marketing materials. Dialogueflow. Website owners, app developers, customer service teams, anyone wanting to build virtual assistants for websites, apps, or messaging platforms. Amazon Lex. Alexa developers, smart home enthusiasts, businesses wanting to add AI-powered conversational features to Alexa devices. manychat. Businesses with a Facebook presence, e-commerce stores, customer service teams, anyone wanting to automate tasks and personalize interactions on Facebook Messenger. Drift. sales teams, online businesses, customer service providers, anyone wanting to qualify leads, engage customers, and close deals through conversational marketing. Technical. RASA. Developers, programmers, researchers, anyone who wants to build custom AI assistants or chatbots with more customization and control. Remember, this is just a general guide, and the suitability of each tool can depend on specific needs and preferences. Don't hesitate to explore various options and see which one resonates best with you. Tips and tricks for AI chatbot tools. General tips. Start with clear instructions. The clearer your prompts and directives, the better the AI can understand your intent and produce relevant content. Experiment with different settings. Most tools offer various modes and options. Play around to find what works best for your needs. Combine tools. Different tools excel in different areas. Don't be afraid to mix and match to achieve your desired outcome. Fact check and edit. AI outputs, while impressive, can still contain errors or biases. Always verify information and polish the generated text for accuracy and quality. Specific tooltips. Bard. Use boss mode for specific instructions and desired tone. Explore its various creative text formats for poems, scripts, etc. ChatGPT. Experiment with different conversation starters and directives to unlock its diverse writing capabilities. Be aware of its potential for creative misinterpretations. Copy.ai. Utilize its persona feature to match your brand voice and target audience. Try its A/B testing option to identify the most effective marketing copy. Writesonic. Take advantage of its built-in research tool for data-driven content. Use its templates and outlines to structure your long-form pieces effectively. shortlyai. Provide detailed outlines or summaries to guide the AI in crafting well-structured and informative articles. Use its SEO optimization features to improve your content's visibility. Bing. Deepen searches with follow-up cues, personalize with humor and casual chat, or find conversation starters in trending topics. Jasper. Generate long-form articles, blog posts, and more. Find your flow with templates and outlines, then boost visibility with built-in SEO tools. Dialogueflow. Design user journeys and conversation flows to create a smooth chatbot experience. Integrate with other Google products for expanded functionality. Ultimately, test and refine your chatbot to ensure it meets user expectations. Amazon Lex. Leverage pre-built skills and templates to get started quickly. Utilize AWS Lambda functions for custom logic and backend integrations. Test and monitor your Lex chatbot to optimize performance and user satisfaction. Manychat. Create fun quizzes and contests to engage your Facebook audience. Utilize chatbot sequences to nurture leads and drive sales. An important point. Track chatbot analytics to measure your campaign performance. Drift. Utilize lead qualification features to identify potential customers. Integrate with your CRM system for seamless data management. Remember, personalize your chatbot greetings and responses for a warmer welcome. The latest tips and tricks are about RASA. RASA. Continuously train and improve your RASA chatbot for optimal performance. Leverage the open-source community for resources and support. Use pre-trained natural language processing models for faster development. Remember, these are just a few pointers to get you started. The best way to master these tools is to explore their features, experiment, and have fun. Master AI tools fast. Like and subscribe for the full tutorial and unlock your AI potential.